Welcome back to 13 News. This morning we're joined once again by Ms. Charlene Patton with the Kansas Soybean Commission, and we are excited because the new Soy Foods Guide is out, and it has an amazing, actually multiple amazing recipes because it is National Soybean Food, or National Soy Foods Month, right? I have to get it right here. But here on the cover is the chicken and cheese quesadillas, and that's what we're going to be making this morning.
Yep.
Right. We talked earlier and showed all the different soy products. So we're going to use a couple of them today. We've got edamame here. And when you purchase edamame now, you can get it in the frozen food section. Most of the time, it's in a bag, plastic bag, that you can put right in the microwave.
Yeah,
Don't
nice,
even have to get out a pan or anything. So it makes it very easy to do. So we have edamame and we have cherry tomatoes. You are going to add some red onion to it. Ooh. You're going to add some lime juice that I freshly squeezed. Yes, that'd be great.
Because we're going to mix all this together.
Because we're going to mix it together.
Okay.
And then you have some cilantro that I chopped. And you can add more or less of that. And then you have a little bit of salt. Great, you guys. Okay, so we're just going to stir this. And you could refrigerate this. You could actually make it the day ahead if you wanted to. There you go.
Yeah.
You know, I told you before, I don't waste.
No, you don't. And I see I did give you a little scraper.
Oh, that's what that's. Sorry, I would have used that.
No, that's
Oh,
good.
we still have some.
No, that's fine.
Okay.
All right. So look how pretty that is.
That is.
It is so colorful.
Like Christmas in a bowl.
And just makes a great spring salad. And yeah, Christmas, it could be all year long. So then the second part of this recipe is the quesadillas.
Oh, yeah.
I love this recipe because if you want a quick meal, the quesadilla is one that will let you do that.
It is.
So what I have here is that I already cooked ahead of time, sauteed some onion, chopped onion, and some garlic together.
Okay.
Added to that some of the edamame that we had here, and then it has Mexican cheese in here, and then shredded chicken. And the shredded chicken, I just love that because it was so easy to mix it together here. We just stir that up with the edamame.
We're wasted, Charlene.
Yeah, we did, aren't we? Okay, so we have a flour tortilla. Recipe says to take about a half a cup.
Okay.
Put this on the side of it, and then we're just going to fold this in half. Put this in your skillet, and gosh, in about 3 to 4 minutes, just brown it, turn it over, brown the other side of it. That heats
Am I
enough.
putting oil in the pan?
Well, you can, yes. Actually, because we sauteed the onion
Oh,
and the garlic
we don't
in
need to
here,
worry about it.
we can just use that same skillet, and it'll already have that oil in there.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah. And so there we have the finished product. We have the quesadillas then that I cut. We have the salad that we're serving with it. So we have a complete easy meal, and we're using that soy to get our 25 grams of soy protein.
And it seems like this makes quite a few quesadillas, right?
Yes, it does. It's supposed to serve 6.
Ooh,
so, yes.
perfect.
These are so good.
And if they want the recipe and the free Soy Foods Guide this month, that's right.
Free.
35 pages with recipes and lots of great information. They should go to our website at kansassoybeans.org, or they can call our 800 number, 877-KS-Soybean.
Alrighty, Charlene Patton,
Oh,
thank
wait.
you so much.
Oh, okay. Go ahead.
We'll be right back after this.